Good morning, everyone. Today I am here again with a new chapter of Class 9 Geography Climate. So, what is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. It is the sum total of weather conditions for a large area, example for a country, and weather. What is weather? Weather it refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. It is the total of weather conditions for limited area, that is for a city. The elements of weather and climate are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. So first of all, we discuss about the factor affecting Indian climate. So the factor affecting Indian climates are latitude, that means Tropic of Cancer almost divide the country in two equal parts running from Rann of Kutch to Mizoram. Then altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind system, relief and ocean currents. So latitude, as the Tropic of Cancer divided the country into two, tropical zone, that means south, and subtropical zone, north. The region lying in the south of Tropic of Cancer is tropical, whereas the region in north is in subtropical. Therefore, India received both tropical as well as subtropical climate. Now, altitudes. India has mountains in north with average height of 6,000 meters and coastline of about 30 meters. The Himalayas act as a barrier to enter winds of India from Central Asia. That is why it experiences mild winter as compared to Central Asia. And altitude is a distance measurement usually in the up direction. It means height above the sea level. Increase in height, the temperature decreases and air become highly dense. Highly dense. Therefore, hilly regions are cold. Now, pressure and winds. Pressure wind is it is further divided in three parts. First, pressure surface winds, then upper air circulation, then western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. So first of all, we talk about pressure and surface wind. India lies in the region of northeasterly winds which originate from northern hemisphere and blow towards south, but deflected to right due to coriolis force. These winds carry small silts, that's why don't affect Indian rain. That means they carry moisture, hence no rain or very little rain. During winters, high pressure area develop over the area of northern Himalayas, North Himalayas. This causes cold dry winds blow from the area over the oceans toward low pressure area over the ocean to the south. So, in the pressure and surface wind, there is a word coriolis force. So, what is coriolis force? Coriolis force, it is the that means coriolis effect. which is a result of Earth rotation, causes moving particles such as air to be deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere to the left in the southern hemisphere. Now, upper air circulation. The upper air circulation of the Indian subcontinent is dominated by a westerly flow which is governed by jet streams. Due to their location over 26° north latitude, these jet streams are known as subtropical westerly jet stream. They blow south of the Himalayas throughout the year except in summers. So what are jet stream? Basically, jet streams are a narrow belt of high altitude, that means above 12,000 meters, westerly wind in the troposphere. Troposphere, you must be knowing layers of atmosphere. Lowest layer of atmosphere is troposphere. Their, their speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summers to about 184 km per hour in winters. These winds have a huge influence on climate as they can push air masses around and affect weather patterns. So, western disturbances. During the time of winter in India, cyclone formation take place in Mediterranean Sea, whose winds are very powerful. Then, after crossing Pakistan, Afghanistan, they finally reaches Jammu and Kashmir, led to rainfall in winter there. So, tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in the October to November and are a part of easterly flow. These disturbances affect the coastal regions of country. Now, the Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. The seasonal reversal of wind system is known as monsoon. The monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20° north and 20° south. Now the mechanism of monsoon. The differential heating and cooling of land and water creates low pressure on the landmass of India. While the sea around experiences comparatively high pressure. The shift of the position of intratropical convergence zone, that means ITCZ zone, in summer over the Ganga plain is also known as the monsoon trough during the monsoon season. The presence of the high pressure area, that means east of Madagascar, approximately at 20° south over the Indian Ocean, affects the Indian monsoon. The Tibetan Plateau get intensely heated during summer, which result in strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau at about 9 km above sea level. The movement of the westerly jet stream to the northern of the Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet streams over the Indian peninsula during summer also impact the Indian monsoon. The change in the pressure condition. So that's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Hope you like this video. Thank you.